In today's competitive job market, having a well-crafted resume is essential for standing out from the crowd and landing your dream job. Whether you are a recent graduate entering the workforce or a seasoned professional looking to advance your career, a standout resume can make all the difference. In this video, we will provide you with expert tips and strategies to help you create an effective resume that grabs the attention of employers and increases your chances of job success. From structuring your resume to writing compelling content, we will cover everything you need to know to craft a winning resume. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of resume writing and take your career to new heights? Let's dive in. So, in this beginning, write a short bio of yourself. Recommend it. As you know, list your finest achievements. Here, you might also add your expertise in 1 to 2 lines. You must list your accomplishments that are relevant to the job for which you are applying, such as if you performed research on the subject of the course you will take. You can also discuss your honors in your writings. Always begin by entering your name, contact information, country, and gender. Never experiment with the font size. Make reading your resume simple. Larger font sizes make reading difficult and unpleasant. So, describe your experience beginning with the most recent. Make sure everything you write is relevant to the scholarship application program. In addition, avoid going into excessive details about your prior experience. You might include your internship in this part. If you don't have any professional experience, always include your goals and successes inside that business or group. Create 3 to 4 bullet points. Describe your experience supervising a group of individuals, how your contributions influence the organization and in the recognition, and you gain to demonstrate that you are a team player. And some figures along with these particulars. You can get the organization attention in this manner. Consider the following examples. Finish a research project that was supposed to take 5 months in half, received an award for being the best intern of the month, and represented by organization at a conference. Education information. Give your study information beginning with the most current. When you give your marks, always give the highest possible marks of or CGPA. They can rank you higher in this method, but omit that section if your CGPA is poor. Instead, add a new bullet point to your resume mentioning that you are one of your class top 5 to or 10 students. In this part, provide all applicable degrees and training that you have received. Many students worry about the requirement that they must offer any evidence to support this knowledge. No, you don't have to give anything other than your education if requested. However, if you don't have any accomplishments to put on your CV and any kind, remember to write honestly. For instance, avoid writing excellent talents in every section, as they might assume you are lying. Similarly, if you are writing about a conference or internship, avoid writing about any non-existent departments or conferences. Thus try to avoid raising their suspicions about you. You can also include a section for further information where you can list the conferences, awards and presentations you have given. Make sure to only include those in your essay that are pertinent to the scholarship program you are requesting. Avoid bragging them with facts that the scholarship committee won't find relevant. They won't ask for proof as was already indicated, but don't just list conferences you attended. Make sure the things you are writing actually happen. Because they sometimes require you to see individual scores, you can also list your IELTS TOEFL exam result at the bottom while indicating the hand bands you received for each module. You can skip this section or write about the English proficiency letter stating that you earned your education in English if you don't have the results. Please keep in mind that the reader will pay attention to the presentation first. If you don't have anything to sell at all. You can sell amaze the reader by explaining your 2 to 4 or 6 years of study. And if you have happen to have nothing to say at all, spend 6 months earning online qualifications, doing an internship and gaining valuable experience for your CV. This primarily pertains to achieving scholarship and access to university for higher ranking. If you want to hire a freelancer to write a resume CV for you, then simply click here.